How to set up Xfinity Gateway modem. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Xfinity Gateway modem. So, what you'll need first would be your Xfinity Gateway modem, a coaxial cable, a power adapter, and a smartphone or tablet with the Xfinity application installed. Now, the first thing you need to do is to connect the coaxial cable. Plug one end of the coaxial cable into the wall outlet and the other into the back of the gateway. Now, after that, plug in the power cord. Connect the power adapter to the gateway and plug it into a wall outlet. Wait for the LED light to turn solid white, and this might take up to 15 minutes. Now, after that, download and open the Xfinity application. So the Xfinity application is available on Google Play Store or App Store. And then after downloading the app, sign in with your Xfinity ID and password. Now after that, go ahead and start the activation. The app should automatically detect your gateway, so tap Get Started and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your modem. Now after that, create your Wi-Fi name and password. So customize your network name and password during the setup. Save these details, you'll need them to connect your devices. And lastly, test your connection. Once activation is complete, connect a device to your Wi-Fi network and test your internet speed. And that is how you can basically set up Xfinity Gateway modem.